See, sequence and nth term of the sequence. So इसके लिए directly I am going to example number 1. So he has given us that nth term of the sequence, it is given 2n plus 5. He is saying write the first 3 terms. So if when I will take n is equal to 1, so this is when I will take n is equal to 2, this is when I will take n as a 3, this is, so which implies the sequence is 7, 9, 11, and so on is the sequence. If I will go with the second part of this, he has given us that an is equal to, so the first term is 1 minus 3 upon 4 minus 1 by 2. The second is the third is, which implies this is the sequence.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर,
जी
सर अगर हमें सम दिया हो सब सारी
नहीं,
सीक्वेंस
अभी
का
अभी
तो
आएंगे,
कैसे?
अभी तो शुरू हुआ काम, अभी तो सब चलते हैं आगे, करेंगे वो भी, डोंट वरी, वो क्वेश्चन आएंगे ऐसे, डोंट वरी, वो करेंगे डिस्कस. Come to example second. What is the 20th term of the sequence? So I want to get 20th term of the sequence. An, this is equal to n minus 1, 2 minus n, 3 plus n. I want to get 20th term of the sequence. So a 20th, this is 20 minus 1, 2 minus 20, 3 plus 20. 19 is to minus 18 is to 23. So minus comes at front. When you will multiply, it will be 7866. So which implies 20th term of the sequence is this. This is the answer. Chaliye, come to the next question. Example 3. Let the sequence an be given as follows. He has given us a1 is equal to 1 and an is equal to an minus 1 plus 2 for all n greater than equal to 2. So if I will take n as a 2, a2, this is a2 minus 1 plus 2. So a2 minus 1, this is a1 plus 2. So the value of a1 is 1. So a2 is equal to 1 plus 2, which is 3. Now the a3 is a3 minus 1 plus 2. A2 plus 2. The value of A2 we have already calculated 3. So 3 plus 2, which is 5, which is A3 is equal to 5. So in the same way, if you want to find out A4, so A4 minus 1 plus 2, A3 plus 2, A4. The value of A3, it is 5. 5 plus 2, it is 7. So what is the sequence? The sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on is the sequence. So your exercise 1 is of this type only. There is nothing special in this exercise. So by skipping it, I'm going to the next exercise that is called arithmetic progression. So we are going to start with the next exercise that is called AP. Next topic that is called arithmetic progression, which we have already discussed in class 10, but in grade 11 the difficulty level of the questions will be raised. So you have to be very clear about the concept. So next is AP, arithmetic progression. So A and term of AP, this is A plus n minus 1 is to D. Here, A is the first term, D is the common difference, n number of terms. This is the first result. The second result, sum of n terms, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 is 2d, where n are the number of terms, a is the first term, d is the common difference, the terms have the usual meaning. Sum of n terms, when the last term is given, n by 2 a plus l, where l is the last term of AP. L is the last term of AP. So on the basis of these questions, going to start with the questions. No, the first example, example 4. Swarit, I hope you have noted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chili. Example 4. He's saying, in an AP, if mth term is n, and nth term is m, find pth term. solution. Tmth n a plus m minus 1 is to d is equal to n. A plus md minus d is equal to n. This is number 1. Tnth m a plus n minus 1 is to d m. Let it be number 2. Now we will find the value of a and d from here. Now see, a plus md minus dn, a plus nd minus dm minus plus minus and minus m minus n d is equal to n minus m, d is equal to minus 1. Put d, put value of d in number 1. This is, which implies a plus m is to minus 1 minus of minus 1 is equal to n. A minus m plus 1 is equal to n. A is equal to n plus m minus 1. This is our a. So you have the value of a and d. I want to find out tpth. So this is a plus p minus 1 is to d. So substitute the value of a, n plus m minus 1, p minus 1 is to d minus 1. Minus p plus 1. So it goes so tpth is this.
Noted, sir.
चलिए for the next question, example 5. If the sum of n terms of an AP, जो आप कह रहे थे नोड, sum of n terms of an AP is given np plus half n is to n minus 1 is to q. Find common difference. difference. I want to find out D. Now sum of n term is given, so that means the first term S1, 1 is to P plus 1 by 2, 1 is to 1 minus 1 is to Q. So my S1 is P, so first term is P. Sum of two terms, S2 means sum of two terms, this is 2P
Excuse me, sir.
plus, हाँ जी,
Sir, S1P कैसे हुआ?
1, see, I have substituted n as a 1, so 1 multiplied by P, so here is 1 minus 1, 0, so this entire term becomes 0, so only it is P.
Okay, sir.
So S2, sum of two terms, this is 2P plus 2 goes with this is Q. So sum of two terms is this. So only second term. This is sum of two terms minus first term. So sum of two term is this. So only second term P plus Q. So therefore common difference only second term minus first term. So only second term is P plus Q. What is my first term? Only P. It goes, so common difference is Q.
Noted, sir.
Okay,
Noted, sir.
come to the next question. Example 6. The sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio, it is given. Find the ratio of 12th term. Okay. So let A1 and D1 be the first term and common ratio of first AP. A2, D2 be the first term and of second AP. So which implies sum of the first AP upon sum of the second AP is equal to 3n plus 8, 7n plus 50. So sum of first AP, this is n by 2 sum of the second AP n by 2 which is equal to So this n by 2 and n by 2 it goes. So he's saying find the ratio of 12th term. So this is, take 2 outside, a1 plus. So I want to get the ratio of 12. So n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 12. Sorry, 11, because this is n minus 1. So I have to take here 11. I want to find out the ratio of 12th term. I have to take here 11. किसको मैंने 11 लिया? इसको मैंने 11 लिया. ये इसको n minus 1 by 2 को मैंने 11 लिया because I want to find the 12th. So n minus 1 is equal to 22. N is equal to 23. Now substitute the value of n as a 23 to find out the ratio on the right hand side. तो यहाँ पे मैंने अब क्या किया, n को 23 substitute कर दिया to get the ratio of 12th term. 7 is to 23 plus 15. So this is 3 is to 3, 60 plus 8 upon 7, 2, 16 plus 15, which implies it is 77 upon, so 11 is to 7, so which is equal to 7 over 16. This is the answer.
Excuse me, sir.
जी,
The n minus 1 by 2 कैसे आया?
ये बेटा मैंने 2 कॉमन ले लिया ना, ये देखिए, ये मेरे पास 2 था, ये वाला 2 था. I have taken 2 कॉमन इन न्यूमिनेटर. तो जब ये 2 कॉमन आ गया तो ये बन गया a1 plus n minus 1 over 2 is to d1. In the same way, a2 plus n minus 1 is to 2 is to d2.
Okay, sir.
इसको नोट कर लो.
Noted, sir.
Okay.
Noted, sir.
चलिए, तो अब बेटा आपका एक तो काम है, you have to do exercise, first exercise of this, and your second job is to finish at least 10 questions, because the first 10 questions of the exercise, they are based on this formula only. So this you have to see. You have to try in the next period. Try to finish it so that I can take the doubts from you, because ultimately you people have to finish. So I hope it will be fine with you,
Yes, sir.
because बेटा कल्ट करना तो आपको है. If you will do uh, uh, from your own pens, so it will be better to get the mistakes. So as many mistakes as you will give to me, so I feel the more concept clarity will be to you, and you will be comfortable. तो उसको आपको थोड़ा सा करना है इस एक्सरसाइज को. फाइन, चलिए. So first 10 questions, please go through first 10 questions of the exercise, because applications we will discuss tomorrow. So first 10 question, yes, of course, there is no issue for the first 10 questions. तो आप इसको quickly खत्म करिए in the next period. So I feel the next period is let me see, broadcast है.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise broadcast है. Otherwise I have introduced the class in the next period also. But if it is a broadcast class, then you have to do your task. 11 boss. 11 boss is Tuesday. Yes, it is a broadcast class. So fine. So see you tomorrow with your difficulties. Then we will start with the next topic. Fine. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.